Looking at our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 Ford F-250 SD Lariat Edition pickup. Outside, you have a rear backup camera, automatic headlights, and power and heated tow mirrors. Inside, you have spacious leather seating for 6 with heated and cooled front seats, push-to-start technology, and remote keyless entry. The 8-inch LCD display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 Ford F-250 has less than 51,000 miles and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.